Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are, whenever you are. Welcome to a new Breakout Solutions live stream. I'm your host, Matt Batiri, here with you today with another cryptocurrency market update. So without further ado, let's dive into the charts. If you are already a crypto investor, you've probably seen that your altcoin bags are looking absolutely amazing. We've had an absolute tear in the market. Let me adjust my screen so you guys can have a good full screen. Perfect. So this is the total crypto market cap. Okay, so this is the total amount of market liquidity that there is in the market. So at the height of the 2021 bull market, we reached $3 trillion. And right now we're only about $1 trillion away from the all-time high. I'm showing you this today because Bitcoin has not respected a lot of the levels where I would assume, or most people assume, we would have a huge pullback. And I'm going to go into the Bitcoin chart in a second. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking at the total crypto market cap and eyeing out a possible retracement soon once we hit the golden pocket of the total crypto market cap. This will line up with this peak that we had back in 2022, April 22, before we had the huge drop in the entire market, which was a continuation of the bear market, which actually started up here. So with this in mind, let's dive into the Bitcoin chart and have a look at what Bitcoin has been doing. So Bitcoin did hit the golden pocket, had a decent retracement. I was expecting a bit more of a decent retracement. We did only get about 20%. I was expecting something a bit around about 30 to 35% to retest here, but it looks like that opportunity has probably gone. So now it's important to look at where Bitcoin find resistance in the next sort of cycle. So the next thing on top of my, the top of my list is this high right here, back from 6th of September, which is around about $53,000, and the 786 Fibonacci retracement right here. So these are my sort of 2 points of interest, or anywhere between that, so $53,000 and $57,000. I know it's a large gap, but it's very rare to see price action like this and price action like this without seeing some form of correction, right? We need to give people that missed the boat down here the opportunity to bring their money into the market to push us further. We can't just keep going up in a straight line, even though it looks like sometimes that this will never end. Smart people will be taking profits out quite regularly, especially now that we have the ETF news. You have to remember that these hedge funds, they are happy with 15% returns per annum. So 15% returns, if they bought the dip at 38,500, they probably already exited at 44,313 and are happy for their yearly returns for their clients. But I think that with more liquidity looking to come into the ETFs, it's only going to spur on retail investors that are not yet in the market. If you look up Google Trends, the search term for buying Bitcoin or anything like that, we're not even close to the 100% mark, which shows that search term is at the height of the crypto trend, or the Google Trends. So right now, I think a lot of people are expecting a pullback, but I think we're going to probably go up at least to 786, and we may even just blow the market out of the water, come to the all-time high, and then finally get our retracement to form a huge cup and handle pattern. Only time will tell. No one who does technical analysis like myself can tell you if the price will go up or go down. All we do is have our levels marked out and then trade the reactions upon those levels. So if we come up to the 786 as an example, and we see ourselves just twiddling along here for a few days, that probably means that, hey, we're going to get some form of retracement like what we did here, where we went sideways for quite some time, and then we finally had the pullback that we were after. So another thing that I want you guys to look at is the altcoin market. We are still at the beginning of the altcoin market. Look at where the altcoin market is producing right now, currently sitting at $545 billion. Okay, still down quite a bit from the all-time high to current price. We're still looking at most altcoins being down 51% from the all-time high. They are now, however, breaking out from this bullish pennant. You can see came up, created a bit of a triangle, and now we're moving up further. Next stop being around that $609 billion. We also had, this was support back in 2022, so now it should act as resistance, okay, because we did have 3 weeks down here. So I'm expecting the altcoin market to have a bit of a retracement once we hit that zone. But until we hit that zone, a lot of altcoins are looking quite bullish. Many are going to have a breakout very similar to what Sui has had. So let me quickly just show you, Say. Where's Say? Let me quickly find Say. So a lot of tokens are starting to look like Say. So this W form pattern Okay, so this right here, a lot of cryptos are looking like this right now. So there's a lot of opportunities for altcoins that have not yet run to make some really easy percentages. So let me give you a couple examples. Fantom. Okay, Fantom is a great token, a great chain that, as you can see, it's got this curve happening. It still has plenty of room to the upside. So you're still getting in quite early on Fantom. ICP as well. Okay, very similar pattern. It's got a little bit of a shallower U formation, but also looking to break out. Atom, also another token forming that W. ADA was one that recently broke out. Here's ADA coming close to its expansion. Okay, still forming this W, but trust me, this thing is probably going to pop quite soon. Okay, still an undervalued token. Let me find you guys one more of maybe a recent one. This is what it looks like. This is what the U pattern looks like. Okay, so this is what Say's done. This is what Fetch has done. So we're getting this on multiple streams on multiple charts of altcoins. So there's plenty of opportunity out there. All you need to do is find a few altcoins that are still forming this W pattern. Most are around about this section, and just get ready for that explosive move to the upside for some really easy gains. So guys, this is what I wanted to sort of cover with you guys today. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Let me know in the comments, do you agree? Are we about to see the biggest bull run in history? And to answer the question of the title of the stream, no, I do not believe that it's too late to get into crypto. We have not even yet scratched the surface. As I showed you, we are still only down 50% from the all-time high, meaning we've got such a big growth potential for the upcoming crypto altcoin market. I'm Matt Battieri from Breakout Solutions. Thanks for watching today's stream, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye for now.